Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am preparing rack of lamb. It's going to be my first time preparing rack of lamb. I normally prepare the leg of the lamb, not the rack of lamb. So this is going to be something new that I'm going to be doing for you guys. And the benefits of lamb, this is not just regular lamb, this is grass-fed lamb. And the benefits of that, you get your zinc, your iron, your B12. Lamb is very similar to beef in texture. Lamb has a more distinctive taste in contrast to beef. So if you're not familiar with lamb, some people, if you're trying it for the first time, it's not a taste that is off-putting. So without further ado, let's get started on cooking this. So the rack of lamb came as a rack and I just cut in between for each rib. Now I'm just gonna, I already cleaned my lamb with vinegar and salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle some fresh squeezed lime juice on there. I'm gonna add my marinade. This is parsley, cilantro, garlic, onion. In here, we're gonna use garlic salt. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. And depending on your nationality, you're going to prepare this differently. Greeks prepare it differently. Everyone prepare it differently. Some people, they prepare it with butter. Some people don't use butter. Some people do sous vide. So it's all a preference of how you like to season and prepare your meats. 1 teaspoon of paprika. We're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I normally don't just put all the seasoning on one lamb. I tried to make this look pretty. It's like, it doesn't make sense. I'm trying to keep the season like really simple instead of adding a whole bunch of different flavors. It's real simple: salt, pepper, and garlic salt. And I'm going to also prepare this with the broccolini. Now stick spray on the pan because the lamb itself already has its fat on it. So we really don't need to use any additional oils. Some people like to add butter again, and that's all preference. What you like or how you like to prepare your meats. It smells really good. You smell the garlic. It smells nice. I like the way it smells. I can tell that this is going to taste good. Well, some people like to prepare their lamb on a cast iron skillet. I don't have one, I just have a regular pan. So I use non-stick spray on my pan to prevent the lamb from sticking onto my pan. The lamb already has a bit of fat around it, so it's gonna create its own oil. So I don't need to use any additional oils. And I don't need to overcrowd the pan either. Let me see if I can add one more. Nah, the other ones are too good. Okay. Hey, boo. She eating chicken. Hi. Hi. Hey. Oh, when she says, hey. Hi, Paige. Where you going? She's going to hold on to her little stomach. What happened to your Elmo? You want some chicken? Come on, boo-boo. She wants some more. Here. This smells really nice. Right now, you smell the garlic, you smell the herb. Everything here smells delicious. We're gonna have this cook on both sides for like 5 to 7 minutes. How are we gonna cook this? Medium well or well done? Medium well. We're gonna cook this medium well. Let me see. Yep, it's ready to flip. That's beautiful. See, that's why, look, this side didn't even cook evenly. Camp stoves are really interesting. This one could brown a little bit more. That one's not ready yet. Some of the benefits of lamb, you have your iron, your zinc, your B12. If you're low on energy, B12 is responsible for that. So you're gonna get B12, you get it from lamb and other meats as well. It's one of the benefits of consuming meat. Some people may disagree, as vegans may disagree with consuming meat, but again, I hate when people try to inflict their lifestyle on others. Everybody have their own way of being, their own DNA, and your way of living may not be conducive to the next person. Doing a blood test is going to tell you whether or not what you're consuming is beneficial for you specifically. One of the ways that you can tell if your diet is conducive to your specific body or to your specific DNA is by simply getting some blood work done. That's the only way you can tell if it's going to be beneficial for your lifestyle. Everybody's different. I try not to judge anybody off of their personal preferences because that's the choices that you've made. And I just think that is this page. Yeah. She's moving the camera too. Let's see. Let's check to see if this is ready. That looks pretty good. For some reason, the middle isn't cooking. See, that's what I'm saying. The camp stove just has a mind of its own. So I took the lamb off of the pan, and those are the first 4 that cooked. I think I did a pretty good job. It looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. I think I'm gonna have Ralph try it first, and then he'll let me know what he thinks about it. I just put these in. Just gotta give it 5 to 7 minutes on both sides. Paige, you wanna try this? This is good, boo-boo. Try it. She wants you to try it. It's not hot. She trying to look. It's not hot at all. Look. It's very tender. It's not tough like beef would be, so she could definitely chew this. Hey, and she has all of her teeth. She has her molars in the back. Well, most of her teeth came in. Just flip that. That looks beautiful. For veggies, I'm gonna make some broccolini. I like the broccolini. It has a different taste from broccoli, but I really don't have a preference. I'll either do broccoli or broccolini. And just let that warm up a little bit. Broccolini, have that. I'm gonna season the broccolini with garlic salt. Let's see how this came out. This is really nice and tender. It has the full flavors of the marinade that I added. It's just well seasoned. It's perfect. I can't say anything more about this. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Oh, what's wrong? You was playing.
The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before.